And now let's have the probability of an event. Okay. The first one we have the theoretical probability. So ano ba sinasabi sa theoretical probability? Probability of an event is equal to the number of possible outcomes or the number of events and the total number of outcomes or the sample space. Okay? And if you divide them, then you will get the probability of an event. And how many percentage, or what is the percentage of an event that will happen. Okay? Let us apply the theoretical probability in this problem. If a fair coin is tossed once, what is the probability that it will fall? Tails. Okay, now, from my previous lessons, so small lessons ko, you are asked to find the possible outcomes. Now, this one is what is the probability, okay, that it will fall tails. Okay, so let us list first the total possible outcomes when tossing a coin. Kapag nag-toss ka ng coin, you have two possible outcomes. It is either heads or tails. So, how many? We have two possible outcomes. So, ganito lang. So, this is the solution, n of s, that is the sample space. So, that is two possible outcomes. How about the n of e, or which is the event? Ito yun, that it will fall tails. O, ilan chance na, what's the probability na lalabas ay tails? So, ilan ba ang tails meron? Isa, 1. Okay, tandaan that the number of event is a subset of the number of sample space. So, 1. So, the probability of an event is probability of an event is equal to n of s, n of e over n of s. So, that is 1/2. So, that is the answer. So, if you want to get the percentage, 1/2 times 100 lang, then you will get 50% chance of getting tails. So you have 50% chance that you will getting tails. Okay, and tossing a coin once. Next, what if we have a problem like this? If a die is rolled, find the probability of the following events. First event, we have getting a number, even number. So, di ba, meron tayong, the sample space is, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, we have 6 possible outcomes. Di ba? When you roll a die once. Okay? We have 6 possible outcomes. Bilangin mo lang, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so n of s natin, how many? 6 possible outcomes. How about this one? N of e, the event. Ano ba event natin? Getting an even number. That is the event. Okay? Ano ba even number dito? 1, 4, 6. Ilan sila? Ay, 2, 4, 6. These are even numbers. So, ilan ba sila? 4. Okay? So, probability of an event. So, that is equal to n of e over n of s. Then you will get 4 over 6, or that is equal to 1/2. So you have 50% chance of getting an even number. So how did I get 50% chance? That is 1/2 times 100. You will get 50% of chance. Okay? How about getting a prime number? Okay. How about getting a prime number? So, just like this kanina, n of s, lista natin. So, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So, what is the total number of possible events? We have 6 possible outcomes. How about the number of events? Okay. So, getting a prime, ang number of event natin. Ang yung event natin, getting a prime number. Ano ba yung mga prime number dito? We have 2, we have 3, we have 5. Okay, we have 3 possible outcomes. Okay, so probability of an event, that is equal to 3 over 6, and that is equal to 1 half. Okay, 1 half. So 1 half times 100, then you will get 50% of chance. Okay. Next, how about getting a 7? Okay. So, ang N of S natin, that is possible, total number of possible outcomes, we have 6. Then, the number of event, meron bang 7 sa ating die? No, so that is 0. Okay. Hindi ko na makakakuha ang 7 sa rolling a die. Okay. So, the probability of an event is equal to N of E, or number of event over number of sample space. So that is 0 over 6. So that is 0. So we have 0% of chance. Now you will get 7 when you roll a die. Okay. Now for this one, a bag contains 5 red, 4 blue, and 8 yellow marbles. If a marble is drawn at random, what's the probability that it will be a red marble? Okay, so dito, kapag meron kang ganitong 5 red, 4 blue, and 8 yellow, you cannot use the multiplication rule here. So, pipili ka kasi eh. You need to pick. Okay, dun sa isang, kunyara, nakalagay yan sa isang bag. Okay, merong 5 red dun, merong 4 na blue, and 8 yellow. Okay, if a marble is drawn at random, so pagbunot mo, ano ba yung probability na makukuha mo daw ay red marble? So, you cannot multiply them. Okay, tandaan. Okay, you cannot multiply them. You can just add them. Okay, so our total number of sample space is, just add them, 5 plus 4 plus 8, that is 17. Okay, possible outcomes. Okay, ano ba yung number of event natin? Okay, tandaan na, it will be a red marble. That is our event. So, ilan ba yung red marble? You will only have 5 marbles. Okay? So, the probability of an event is equal to N of E over N of S. And that is equal to 5 over 17. And that is equal to how many percent of chance? So 5 over 17 times 100. Then you will get times 100, you will get 29.41% chance. Okay, that it will be a red marble. Okay. Next, paano naman kapag yellow marble? Ang magbubunot mo daw dapat yellow marble. Again, you just add 5 red, 4 blue, and 8 yellow. Our N of S is 70. Okay, and the number of event is yellow marble, we have 8. Okay, 8. So probability of an event is equal to 8 over 70. Okay, so multiply it, 8 times 100, you will get how many percent ba meron? Meron kang 47%. 0.06. 47.06% chance that you will get a yellow marble. Okay? Now, how about this one? If one card is drawn from a well-shuffled deck of playing cards, what is the probability that it will be spade? Spade. Okay, ngayon sa baraha, this time, you need to know how many cards are there in a standard deck of cards. Okay, kailangan tinatandaan nyo to. Sa isang standard deck of cards, the total number of sample space there ay, pipili ka ng baraha, isang baraha, dapat spade daw ang makukuha mo. So, this is standard deck of cards, you have 52 playing cards. So, that is your total number of possible outcomes. How about the number of event? Okay, the number of event is, you need to pick, okay, one card, and that it will be spade. As a spade, we have 13 spades, di ba? 13 hearts, 13 diamonds, 13 clubs, 13 spades ang meron. Okay, 13 spades. Okay, playing cards. So, how many percent we have? Oh, that is probability of an event is equal to 13 over 52. Okay? Lagi mababa nasa taas. Yung mataas, nasa ilalim. Denominator. So, 13 over 52, that is 1/4. Okay. Times 100 natin. How many percent we have? That is 25% chance. Okay, you have 25% chance that it will be a spade. Okay. Now, I have some random examples here regarding with the probability. Okay. Now, this time, you need to know what will anong gagawin mo. Is it ba mag-multiplication rule ka ba? You're getting the probability or you're just getting the addition rule? Okay. Random problems lang. So, an ATM pin consists of 4 digits. How many different pins can be made? So, meron ka daw 4 digits na numbers. So, dito naman, ang tinatanong is how many different pins. So, how many possible outcomes? So, ibig sabihin, you are going to use the multiplication rule. Okay. In order to calculate all the possible outcomes. Okay, so you have 4 digits. Okay, wala namang condition na pwedeng umulit, pwedeng hindi. Okay, so sigurado to without repetitions. Okay, so ATM pin, number yan, hindi naman pwede letters. So the first choice, you have 10 choices. So second digit, you have 10 choices. So third digit, you have 10 choices. So fourth digit, you have 10 choices. All in all, that is 10 raised to 4. And 10 raised to 4 is 10,000. So you have 10,000 different pins can be made. Okay. Next, random problem. Ayan. Oh, this time you are asked the probability. Okay, a bag contains of 5 red, 4 blue, and 8 yellow marbles. If a marble is drawn at random, what is the probability of getting a blue marble? Ngayon, probability naman ang tinatanong. Okay. So list of all possible outcomes, that is the sample space. O ganito, you need to pick one at random kasi. So you're just going to add them. 5 plus 4 plus 8. So you have 17, choices. 17 choices. And the number of event is, we have, ilan ba yung blue marble? 4. So probability of an event is equal to 4 over 17 times 100 mo. Then you will get times 100, you will get 23. Okay? 23%. 23.53% chance that you will get a blue marble. Next, if one card is drawn from a well-shuffled deck, standard deck of cards, Okay, for this time, black card naman ang pinapahanap. Okay, black card. Okay, if one card is drawn from a well-shuffled standard deck of playing cards, what is the probability that it will be a black card? Okay, tandaan that the total number sample space is 52 playing cards. Meron kang 52 playing cards. Pipili ka daw, dapat na makuha mo black card. Ngayon, what is the number of event? Okay, paano ba compute si number of event? Ilan bang black cards sa isang standard deck of cards? Tandaan ha, that the clubs and the spade are black cards. Are black. Okay. Black cards. Ilan bang meron sa clubs? We have 13. Meron bang meron sa spade? Meron tayong 13 cards. So, 13 plus 13, you will get 26. Yung number of event mo ay 26 cards. Okay, 26 black cards. So, the probability of an event is equal to 26 over 52. And that is equal to, simplify, that is 1/2. Okay. So, times 100 mo, you will get 50% chance of getting a black card. Okay. Next. How about this one? If one card is drawn from a well-shuffled standard deck of cards, okay? Standard deck of cards natin ay 52 playing cards. Okay. Lagi yan, standard yan. What is the probability that that will not be an ace? Okay, hindi daw, ang pagbunot mo daw, dapat hindi ace ang makuha mo. Alas, kaya nila. Okay? So, ilan ba ang alas ang meron sa standard deck of cards? We have 4 aces in a standard deck of playing cards. So, ang kailangan mo daw ay hindi mo dapat mabubunot ay mga alas. Okay? So, minus natin. 52 minus 4, and then that is 48 playing cards. Okay, ito yung number of event natin, playing cards. Kasi, itong 48 na to, ito yung hindi hindi ace. Okay, hindi sila ace. 48. Okay, so probability of an event, meron na tayong number of events, that is 48, and then 52 yung total number. So 48 divided by 52, that is 12 over 13. Now, from 12 over 13, multiply it by 100, then you will get 12 over 13 times 100, you will get how many percent? That is 92.31%. Okay, so you have 92.31% that it will be or it will not be an ace. Okay. So, how about this one? If a person bought 2 of the 100 tickets, bumili daw siya ng dalawa sa isang ay 10,000 tickets sold for a raffle. What is the probability that he will win the first prize? So, how about the N of S? Ano yung N of S natin? Siyempre, bibili ka ng tickets. Okay, random yung pagpili doon. So, ilan ba yung total number of choices mo? Okay, you have 10,000. Okay. O, ilan ba yung number of event? Pipili ka ng dalawa doon sa 10,000. So, you have only 2 choices. Probability of an event is equal to 2 over 10,000 choice. So, that is 2 divided by 10,000. That is 0.0002. Okay. Percent chance. Times 100 na natin ito. Ay, wait lang. 0.002. It's not a percentage pala. Okay. So that is the final answer. So 0.002, or that is, or convert it, 0.0002 times 100, you will get 0.02% chance, okay, that you will get, mananalo ka ng first prize. Tara. Okay. How about this one? A 15-item multiple choice test has 3 choices for each question. In how many ways can the test be answered completely? Ngayon, we are just asked to find how many ways can the test be answered. Okay, so we are going to use here the multiplication. Okay, ngayon, meron kang 15 items, and then you have 3 choices. For each item, meron kang 3 choice. Okay, so 15. Siguro ganito lang gawin natin. So each questions, meron kang 15, meron kang 3 choices. So, meron kang 15 questions and it has 3 choices. Kung meron kang 3 choices, and that is 3 raised to 15. Okay? Multiplication, shortcut ko na lang. 3 raised to 15, that is 143, wait lang, 14, hindi siya 143. So that is 14,348,907 ways to answer the questions completely. Okay. How about this one? A coin is tossed twice. What's the probability of getting tails each time? So, if you toss a coin twice, how many? What is the probability of getting tails of each time? Okay. So, kapag nag-toss ka ng coin twice, how many possible outcomes are there? Di ba meron kang 4 possible outcomes? Okay? Ano ba yung meron ngayon? Di ba? If you list them, we have pwede naman heads, pwedeng heads, tails, pwedeng tails, heads, pwede naman both tails. Okay. Now, the question is, how many possible outcomes? 1, 2, 3, 4. You have only 4 possible outcomes. Now, what's the probability of getting tails each time? Okay, dapat makuha mo daw dalawang tails. So, that is n of, our number of event is 1. Probability of an event is equal to 1/4. And that is, times 100 mo, then you will get 25% chance that you will get both tails. Okay?